Hello everyone, Merry Christmas to all of you. So today guys, I'm going to show you my Poundland haul. You know what, I'm very shocked when I went to Poundland because normally before when they are doing some sale, it's not really that extreme sale, yeah, like for example 50% off, something like that only. But this time I purchased so much and I didn't expect even myself, because normally I don't really buy lots of Christmas decor, but because Poundland have lots of Christmas decor and it's on sale. So look at my bag, it's full of it. So first is this nutcracker. This one originally it's £6, but I just purchased it $1.50. So can you imagine? And not just one. Oh god, you know, I regret I purchased a nutcracker in Primark, which is around £4, but it's sell already. So I grabbed this one also just because it's from £6 and now $1.50. Look at that. I have video of it also if you want to see the prices and what available they have. So this one, 2, and I'm sure I purchased more. Let's see later. Oh no, this one here, this is also £6 before and $1.50. So my god guys, there's actually still lots of sale there, and that time I just didn't, you know, I just don't want to carry so much things. But look at that, it's so cute. And I have smaller actually. Where is it, the other one? Okay, later on you will see it. This one, it's £3 and I just grab it for £1, so I can of course change the date. So but it's so cute, look at, and I can maybe spray paint here, this one maybe, but look, £1 for it. Let me put it here. And then I also grabbed some Christmas lights. They have like few of it already, and I went to B&M because I'm searching for Christmas light outdoor, and they don't have any more that I like. And then I went to Home Bargains also. They don't have the one I like. They don't have like this actually. This is the one I like. So let's try it guys. If it's working, hopefully, because I don't want to return anything. Okay, so it worked. Oh god, so pretty. Okay, so it's working. That's good. And then I also grabbed this one. How much is the price? You know, one thing by the way that I like about Poundland now, it's because you can check their prices in the box, in the bag, or whatsoever. It's not like before, it's so hard to know the price. So this one, original price is £6, but I purchased it £2. Yeah, or even cheaper. So let's see inside. I'm trying to put it out already, but yeah, like that only. Let's try to on it also, because I still can return it, you know, just in case it's not working. Okay. Oh no, this is battery operated. So I need to grab some battery. So later I will check it guys. But look at, for £2, or I think $1.50 also this one. My receipt is not here. So yeah, but we'll go to your Poundland store. This is Advent calendar, and I grabbed 4. The expiration of this would be, I think, here it will be August, so there's time still, you know. Oh, this is one July, the other one is August, the other one is September. Yeah, I'm going to give it to some kids. That's why I grabbed 4. It's just, by the way, 25 pence. So it's very affordable. And then for this one, I tried this already, and Oh my god, the cover of it. And I put the battery and it's working like that. So yeah, normally I really purchase new Christmas decor, Valentine's decor, like every after the celebration, because you know it's sell. I don't pay full price, just sometimes if really like I don't have choice or I cannot wait. But look at the original price of this is £6, but I think I purchased this 150. Yeah, wood. It's wood. Oh god, so cheap. Put it here. Yeah. Oh, this is another one. Oh, there's okay here because my son play with it. So today is so like that. You can put it 20. Let's say 01 for New Year. Yeah. So cute. This is I forgot the price of this, but it's not so expensive. Maybe just £1. Just check in my video, guys. You will see the price of this here. And this one, I don't know actually why I purchased this. I still have, but yeah, I just don't know. I feel like it's cute. So original price of this is 150. You can see each, and then I £35 for this one. 35 pence for each. So from 150 to 35 pence. So it's a bargain. I feel like it's cute, yeah? Do you think it's cute? For me, it's cute. And then I grabbed some, ooh, another Christmas light. LED chain. It's like, is it for outdoor? Yeah, inside and outside. £9. But I purchased it like 250. Yeah, it's very, yeah, 250 only for this one, guys. Let's try to check it. This one I'm happy with it. I hope this is battery operated, so I need battery for this one. It's not in the main, battery operated, so let me try it after. But yeah, so many sales. This is because I will also do later B&M haul, because I also want to B&M. And just the tape, fragile tape I purchased. Then oh, this one, oh my god, many. This one, it's £3 Christmas LED chain also, but this is battery also. This one is, what is that? This one is £3, but I just purchased it like less than £1. So yeah. And then this is the only one, or I have more, I don't know. But this one, it's £1, but I think this is just 25 pence, like that. I don't know why I purchased it. I really don't know. Maybe I'm thinking to change color of my Christmas tree next year. And then patty cake. So I grabbed this because I will need it again next year to give to my son's classmates. So yeah, this is good. It's 30 pieces, 30 cards, and it's just £1. I think I grabbed 2 of it. Okay, and then this one, how you call it, £1 only, but I just grabbed it for, how much I grabbed it, pence also, like 25 pence for this, or 35. Yeah, I don't know how to decorate it, to use it. And then this one is £1.40 coloring book with some sticker. I don't know why just one I grab. Look at that, just one I grab. I should grab more, or maybe I forgot, or maybe they don't have that much. I forgot actually, like that. And then here's sticker. Yeah, and this one is just 50 pence for this one, which is very inexpensive, guys. Pull-ups, £4. Yeah. In Home Bargains, £4 also. And Globe. Look at that. This is original price £6. I grabbed this for £2. Very inexpensive and cute. Actually, my son chose this one. And oh, okay, look, I have another one here because I think this is just 25 pence. That's why. And yeah, I think I will make it my Christmas tree white. Oh god, okay, yeah, maybe, I'm not sure. And this one, 3CM Merry Christmas. Yeah, I don't know why I purchased this, guys. To be honest, I don't know why I purchased this because you know what, I just like Christmas tree in the house because it's easy to clean, and I don't like that much Christmas decor, but just because it sells, so let me check if I can decorate it next year. If not, I'll give it to my friends. And then this one, stamps. My son's already get most of it. He's playing already, he cannot wait. And this one is just 50 pence. Then I grabbed this 4 pieces. I'm thinking to give it to his friends next Christmas. It's like I always purchase advance, guys, so that when the occasion will comes, I will not be in hurry. And this is sell. This is, how much is the price of this? Oh, they didn't put here, but this is like 50 pence. And inside, yeah, like that inside. This one, it's always should be here, like that. So for 50 pence, it's all good, you know, because my son have 4 close friends, and other kids maybe just biscuit like that. And this is a table runner, which is 35 by 180 cm, £5, and I bought this 125 pound, and it's quite actually long. I have here table runner, but it's not that nice anymore, so I need for a change. Oh god, how can I don't want to damage it, just in case. Actually, it's not that cheap, so okay, anyway, like that, guys. Okay, like that, it's coming out now.